Will a bad starter make a grinding noise? Grinding sounds. The starter has a small ring gear that protrudes out and engages the teeth on a flywheel. If the ring is worn out or the teeth are stripped, the gear will spin at its axis but cannot turn the flywheel and start the engine. In that case, you will hear loud grinding noises when starting the car. What can cause a starter grinding noise? Common reasons for this to happen: bad starter drive gear. Perhaps the most common problem here is the starter drive gear grinding on the teeth of the flywheel. This causes dry operation, and the starter makes a loud noise when engaging. This is a temporary situation and should resolve itself in a short time. What is the cost of replacing a starter? The cost to replace a car starter. According to Repair Pal, replacing a car starter averages $344 to $562. The labor cost, on average, runs $128 to $163, while parts cost $216 to $399. Alan says he charges around $180 for a new car starter and $130 for labor costs. Can you jump-start a car with a bad starter? 6. Jump-start the car. Having a jump-start tool is great, but can you jump-start a car with a bad starter? Once you have a battery that is functioning optimally, it will provide enough amps to the starter for your car to start. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.